Okay, let's take a look at the common chord progression. 1, moving to the 6, moving to the 4, and moving to the 5. So again, 1, 6, 4, 5 in the key of C major. So the 1 chord in C is a C major. The 6th chord in C is an A minor. The 4 chord in C is an F major, and the 5 chord is a G major. Again, the 1 is C, the 6 is an A minor, the 4 is an F, and the 5 is a G. Bam, that's the 1 chord moving to the 6 chord, moving to the 4 chord, moving to the 5 chord in the key of C.